All right, Gary, let's take a ride in a redneck Cadillac.
That's it, man.
1979 Ford F-150 4x4 short bed pickup. This is a really nice original truck with some upgrades.
Yeah, I think
one
he
owner.
babied it. I think he babied this thing.
Oh yeah, guy was an older guy. We bought his Corvette from him a few years ago. A 62 Corvette, which was a stud too. But this was originally black on black. It's still black, you know, high quality paint job. It's got a 460 in it with an automatic transmission. It's got a four-wheel drive, of course,
Yep.
with locking hubs. Even has air conditioning. How about that? And it feels like the heater's on. Let's shut that puppy off. Anyhow, it's a good driver. It's got 33-inch tires on it. Little larger fuel tank in it, like a 44-gallon tank, in case you want to go on vacation. It's got a tow package. How's it drive for a four-wheel drive?
Good, man.
Not too bouncy or anything.
Not too bad. You know, it's got some big tires on it, but you don't expect these things to drive like a Cadillac.
Nope, but short wheelbase and stuff too. It's some big tires, but it's not, you know, it doesn't make it too much noise. And
no,
it's got a really classic upgraded stereo in there, a little JVC cassette player.
Ooh, yeah, get your cassettes out. Yeah, well, it's got a nice, you know, the bed is done up really nice and carpeted.
Yeah, it's got a carpeted deal back here, which you can slide out of there, but it's a nice shell too. Fits the truck nicely. Some of these look goofy on these older vehicles, but sliding rear window. Nice interior too. I mean, it's really well cared for.
Yeah, no, this is his baby. I wonder if he ever towed anything with it.
I doubt it. It's got a tow package too, though, with a brake controller and
everything,
extra gauges. So we'll go up here and take some pictures so you can get a good look at it. All right, check out this sweet truck. We get a lot of trucks here at California Cars, but I'm sorry, you get a classic truck that's this nice, because most of them were used as work trucks and off-roaded and jumped and modified. But man, we don't get them like this. This is a one-owner 79 F-150 4x4 California car truck, I should say. Still got the original blue license plates from when it was new, and they look restored, but nope, they're original. A couple modifications, of course. Wheels, tires. It's got 33s on it. It's got a bigger fuel tank. Guy was a super nice guy. I bought a Corvette from him a while ago. I think I said that earlier in our other video. But he was pretty anal about taking care of stuff. The paint on this truck is beautiful, super high quality. It's originally a black truck too, which is kind of rare, you know, black on black. He added the Nerf bars because it's a little easier to get in if you're up in years. But it's got the Ranger trim package. Interior's really sweet too. I mean, and check that seat out. I mean, there's no wear at all. I don't think this stuff was redone very long ago. Nice carpeting, door panels. It's got power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, air conditioning, extra lights here and there. Like I said, larger tank. It's got a vacuum gauge, a brake controller. You know, just one of those guys that like to add stuff that made sense. Little level meter there. Super nice. He upgraded the mirrors, which I think look nice. He gives it a little bit more of a, they're more modern Ford mirrors, but they look good on a you know, classic truck. It's got the front hitch if you want to load your boat in the water on the ramp. That's real easy to do with the front hitch. That's kind of cool too. Very, very nice. All right, here's the power plant in the 79 F-150 4x4. This one's got a 460 in it. It's been rebuilt. Power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, air conditioning. There's that old York compressor from back in the day. It's got a still got the smog stuff on there. You know, it's California. This one will pass the California smog, which is good too. It did. You know, it's not too highly modified engine-wise. It's got an MSD distributor, which is better spark. A radiator, trans cooler, electric fan, just stuff that you know, you would add to an older vehicle, and it's a strong runner. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Got a little belt squeal there. Rev it up again, Gary. Alright. Now we did a little steam cleaning, so it might make that belt a little squeaky, but we'll put one on there if it needs it. Anyhow, really good looking engine compartment. It was a little dusty when we got it, so we cleaned it off. It's been sitting for a little while, but you know, give it a little cleanup. Go ahead and walk around the back, let you listen to it. Nice exhaust. Nice chrome step bumpers with the backup lights. Pretty cool truck. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come on out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. And our phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. And we'll go ahead and show you this truck, man. You'd be really impressed if you're able to come out here and take a look. Thanks for watching.